Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a cut crease. In the beginning of this video, I'm rambling quite a bit, so just ignore that. I don't know, I was just in a talking mood. But if you want to see how I got this cut crease and a few tips on cut creases, then keep on watching. I'm just going to start out by using the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in the shade F1.20. I'm just going to apply this with my beauty sponge. I'm extra pale, so this matches. Oh, y'all see these lovely nails again? Every single time I film a video, my nails are disgusting. I did 2 colors today. I did a client who wanted red hair, so we colored her all over red. I may insert a picture here because it's so pretty. If y'all want details on this type of things, I might make those videos, but just let me know. But and that was a permanent color. And then my second client, I just used a demi-permanent color all over her hair, and it stained my nails. And I had gloves on, so I'm not sure why it stained my nails. Feels like there's something poking me. I feel like this foundation is a little too matte for me right now, but it fits my color, so we're just gonna make it work. I think I'm the whitest I've been all year, and it's summertime, so that's fantastic. So I'm halfway through with cosmetology school, so ready to be through and start working. Makes me so happy to think about it. I really needed to wax my eyebrows today, but that's okay. And while this sits on my skin, I'm just gonna bake it under the eyes and around my nose area, just to kind of make sure that I don't get it oily. I'm also gonna set down my eyelids. Okay, for this next part, I'm gonna be going in. I'm going to be going in with this palette right here from BH Cosmetics. It is the Royal Affair palette. I'm going to first go in with this shade here. I think it's called Primrose. I'm just using a Morphe brush, and I'm just going to kind of get this in my crease. My goal today, I guess, is to do a very quick cut crease for you guys, just to try to simplify it. Because I know a lot of times cut crease can be made to think it's like a hard thing to do. It's very simple, and I will share some tips with you guys. Put enough of that in the crease. Next, I want to go in with this shade right here called Majesty, just a soft brown. I'm going to put that where I put this other shade, except I'm not going to bring it up as high. These are pretty warm shades, which I feel like complement my eyes. Someone told me that I favored Billie Eilish today. I was like, what? But that's fun. It's cool to think about. Okay, so once you get a strong crease going, then what I normally do is I'll just take some kind of flat shader brush. Can y'all see what this is? Okay. And a full coverage concealer or foundation. In this case, I'm going to go in with a Morphe foundation. I'm just going to pat this on the lid of my eye and kind of carve out the shape that you want for your lid. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just did a cut crease with the Royal Affair palette. I used the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer to contour and bronze my face. And to highlight, I just used Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter, which is very pretty. And I put on a pair of maybe these are Ardell. And I put on a pair of Ardell lashes to top it all off. For my lips, I did use the Tarteist Pro lip paint in OG, and I topped it with a little bit of the NYX Lip Lingerie lip gloss. So this is the final look. I will put the details in the description box below. I did get a scalp bleach, and I really do like it. I've been going to the same lady for 3.5 years. Like February of 16 is the first time I ever had anything put in my hair, and it was highlights. So from then till now, the only thing that's been in my hair is bleach. I've never had any color put in. I have a collage of the first time I got my hair done by her until now, so I may insert that here and let you guys see it. But she's awesome. Her name is Sierra Tacker, and I will put her Instagram linked below because she's awesome. She's just the best. She's the only person that I really trust with my hair. She's wonderful, and I've learned a lot of the things that I know from her. She's wonderful. I've said that 4 times, but that's okay. So I have a few more tips for a cut crease. I feel like number 1, you shouldn't use too much concealer or whatever you're using to cut the crease. Don't get your brush saturated because that will just cause everything to be messy. Just use the bare minimum, and if you have to go back for more, then go back for more. I would use more of a thin brush. I don't know if you can tell a difference between these 2 brushes. This one's a little more fat and this one's thinner. I feel like a thinner brush will help make the cut crease more precise. And then after you do that, to get the eyeshadow or the pigment or whatever you're doing on that cut crease, especially if you're using like a foiled eyeshadow, I would go in with my finger first and then apply the majority of the product with your finger because it will go on better and more opaque. And then just smooth out the edges with a brush. And then if you are finding trouble getting whatever you're using to stick, use the glitter glue, or I use the NYX glitter glue, and I use the Morphe setting spray just to help with those things. And that's about all. If there are any other questions or anything else you want to know or want to see, please leave that in the comments below. I'd love to film it. I kind of want to get my thoughts together and do a video over like my whole thought process about cosmetology, just all things hair. So I may do one of those soon. So thank y'all so much for watching. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you can, and I really do appreciate you guys for watching. Thank y'all so much. Bye y'all.